Hey, what's going on, everyone? What's going on, Trap Watchers? Today is July the 29th, 2021. We are here. You guys can tell that Tilray has given us something that we need to talk about on the chart. So we're going to break down what happened in the market in our last price prediction in Tilray, and then we're going to tell you where we're expecting the price to go, all without being confused. Everyone else is out there giving you too much confusion. The less confused you are, the better you'll know where price is going to go. All right, so if you want to join us, the doors are open. Hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to the channel. All right, so check this out. Let me tell you all what happened into the market in our last price prediction for Tilray. Let me show you. Okay, the last time we did our price prediction was on July the 15th. You guys can check it out. It was in our Tilray playlist here on YouTube. You can check it out. Not hiding anything from you all. So take a look. We told everyone on that particular time that the market in Tilray was going to go lower, and we did that. Now, our ultimate area of support in Tilray was right there around $12. The market ultimately topped out and found support on July the 27th at $12.54. So we was 54 cents away from the market in Tilray actually hitting our support price. But nevertheless, we've had opportunity to grab the bag from the trap right here. We've had plenty of days to where we was in profitability, not becoming over greedy, overextended, understanding that, hey, we said that the market support in Tilray was going to be around $12. $12.54 is where the low was. Pretty close, right? So now, if you was able to grab that, okay, right there on July the 27th, if you was able to grab that, that's about 16% right there profitability. Okay. So now, let's get rid of that though, okay? Because if you're a trap watcher, one of the things you need to be on the lookout for that I tell everyone in our community is the volume, right? I always tell everyone to pay attention to the volume because that is the footprint. That is the indication of how many people or a big player coming into the market and participating in these products. They came in yesterday, right? And the market in Tilray ended up closing up 25, almost 26% based off all this volume. I mean, take a look. This volume in Tilray hasn't been seen ever since when the market was trading around $32, $35. We haven't seen this much volume. And you guys can see the reaction then was that the price in Tilray continued to go lower. Well, since we're on the low end now, we're seeing the same amount of volume here. Have we found support? Take a look. While everyone is giving you information and articles about Tilray, how it went up 25%, we can still remain calm because this is the overall direction as to what the market in Tilray is anticipated to do. And you guys can see, let me zoom in. We are now bumping our heads on that trend right here. So let's not get it confused. Let's not go into the hype and all the fun and FOMO that you're going to see and read in these articles. We are still finding rejection on that trend. It's not a surprise. It's not a coincidence. Right now, the market in Tilray is finding rejection on our line. Okay. So the question is, are we going to break back up above this ascending line, or are we going to continue to trade sideways? Because I'm not expecting the price in Tilray to go lower than $12. Okay. I'm not. So what we're going to do, I want to show you the overall trend in this space for Tilray. Okay, I want to show you the sideways trading or the consolidational trading that we can expect to occur in Tilray. Okay. So look, either the market in Tilray is going to find rejection on this ascending line, or we're going to continue to trade within this range. The range is between 20, support is around 12. Okay. That's it. So while everyone is amped and they're gassed about the price in Tilray going to 25%, we already know that something is not right when the price cannot completely go above this overall ascending line. Okay. Let's take a look at the market in Tilray on the 3-day. Because so far the market in Tilray is still showing us that it wants to, at best, consolidate. You're right. I'm not all bullish in the market in Tilray. You know, some analysts might be, some individuals on YouTube might be overly bullish, but I'm gonna be a little bit more calm and relaxed, right? I'm not gonna believe what the market is speaking on in videos and articles because the chart is not necessarily giving us that type of information. Okay, so what I'm going to do, rather than us trying to keep track of the trend of higher price, I'm going to expect this market in Tilray to continue to show us trading within this range, those two lines. Okay, now take a look at that. So while we're seeing this market in Tilray give us the strength on yesterday, we can still see this market get rejected not far on that descending line. So there is still a lot of uncertainty into the market in Tilray. If you wasn't in position to capitalize on that 25, 26 price movement just yesterday, you may have missed out, because I'm seeing a lot of indications that Tilray is going to have to overcome that descending line, and then prior to, it will have to break back up that ascending line that I had earlier on the chart. Those are all issues that the trap will have to overcome, right? So what can you expect? One thing that is great to see is that the market has confirmed $12 as support. Okay. Let's look at the market in Tilray on a 3 hour. Okay, so this is the 3 hour time frame. We're hinting at some weakness right now. So right now is not the prime opportunity to jump into the market in Tilray. We need to show forth where the market support can be. And right there around $15.50 for Tilray. Yeah, I would say around $15.50 to $15 even is where we need to see this market grab some support. Okay, so I'm not seeing that yet. Definitely need to wait and see how low this price is going to go before jumping into the market in Tilray, and that will give us what, if we were to play this short on a small time frame, to take it around 15. That's around 5.25% to around 15.50. It's about 2%. Okay, so now we need to see follow through, and right now we're not seeing any follow through. So rather than being amped and jumping onto the ship from the performance of what occurred yesterday in Tilray, we need to wait, right? We need to see the market confirm that it still wants to go higher in the long term, and right now we're not getting that. So keep your eyes open around $15.50 to around 15. I would even say around $14.70, no lower than $14.70 in the market in Tilray, right? If we see support come in on one of those numbers, $15.50 is better, and then next would be 15, then $14.70, no lower than $14.70. Okay, so if we don't see any strength coming to the market in Tilray on any of those three price levels, we already know that what occurred yesterday was fake. It wasn't real. It just wanted to pull people into the market to come in and buy Tilray. So right now, sit the sideline, wait, chill out, and see where the strength comes in. I've already given you the price points as to where we need to see it, because if we don't, we have been scathed from being tricked into expecting this price in Tilray to go higher. Okay. So now, let me know, what do you all think the market in Tilray is going to do over the next couple of days? I mean, because so far so good, but I'm not believing into the hype yet. Okay, because we've been in a sustained downtrend in Tilray since June. The market has been going lower. You get one day that the market pops, doesn't mean that you need to jump onto the ship right now. So for us, this is what we're expecting to happen next. Okay. First, we need to see the market grab support around $15.50. Then next would be 15, then no lower than 14.70. We see that, then we understand that the market is still acting giddy. They're still wanting to see the price go higher. But if we don't, we understand that what occurred yesterday was fake and we didn't buy into it. So for us, we're going to stay on the lookout. We're going to sit the sideline. We're not going to play with the trap right now because we're expecting that he's trying to trick us, and we're not going to follow his trick. We're not going to follow that yet. So now I want to know, what would your play be though? This is what we're expecting to happen next. We're expecting the weakness to come through, see some support try to come in on one of those 3 price levels. And then from there, if we don't get any strength, we understand that we're going back down to the downside in Tilray. So now, drop me a comment in the comment section though. Now I'm talking about over the next week. I'm not talking about on a monthly time frame. I'm not talking about on a 3 months, yearly, 2-year basis. If you're playing Tilray for the long term, then yeah, this $15.95 price is not having no impact, because definitely in that realm of time, you're looking for that price to really increase in the long term, right? But that's not what I'm referring to in terms of what I'm expecting to happen next. So now I want to know what you all think. Drop me a comment in the comment section. We're just trying to break down, dissect what the trap is trying to do next. And until we get a better indication, we'll sit the sideline. Let me know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.